Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. How to cancel base44 subscription. So there is a step-by-step guide, and make sure you will have logged in. So we will move in the top right corner is your profile icon. Just tap, and as you can see, there is an option of billing. So just tap for billing, and after right now for before you just cancel the subscription, you will just subscribe to starters. So if you just tap on it, and from here you will just select the monthly or yearly. So I will just select it monthly and continue to check out. So after, you will just have to add your payment method. You will also add your Stripe card, and you will just have to add your credit card or debit card right over here. And after, you will just have to subscribe. So you can see there is an option of cancel subscription. So simply just tap on this blue icon, cancel subscription. After cancel, you will be just confirmation for this green icon. Just tap it. So you will also cancel the subscription. So in this way, you will just have to cancel subscription on base44. That's it. Thank you.